Black Kemet gods, black Egyptian gods, summoned from heaven, blessed, dressed in only go yard, homie go hard like stone and rock.
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Sean Be Nice with some more heat rock. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. Here, shout out to Ringke for sending me 3 cases for the Galaxy Note 9. Now I do have a white stone dome screen protector on already. I do have a video coming out for that to show you guys how I put it on, but this is the best screen protector you can get on any phone so far, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it is hard as hell putting these on. I had to definitely rinse my phone off a couple times to make sure I get all that glue off. My phone wasn't charging for a minute. I had to clean that off with some alcohol, but so far everything working just fine. Now, as you guys can see, like even though the glass is on the edges, it wraps around to the point where you can still put a case on it. So let's go ahead and check out some of these cases. So first one up is, if I'm not mistaken, this is like a Fusion X. Go ahead and open this up. All right, thank you card. Cool, that's cute. Card mount, cute. Yeah, and we take all the plastic off later. We just wanna see how it looks. All right, so far, again, it works perfectly fine with the screen protector on it already. You also have, as Flossie Carter say, raistivity. So if you wanna put it down, but again, you have a screen protector on it anyway, it shouldn't even matter. And it looks good. So you can still kind of see the color of the phone. You know, it kind of got that blue and black going on. This is dope, I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's move on to the next case. All right, now this one more than likely is gonna be my favorite because it's clear. Now, I'm pretty sure this can go on. How does it go on? I don't know, I'm not putting that on, but it's there if you guys wanna check it out. I'll make sure I link all these cases down in the description below as well. Thank you card again. Clear case. Now, the only thing I hate about clear case is the fact they turn yellow after a while. That sucks, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but you know, if you wanna show the color of your phone, you gotta pay the price. All right, let's go ahead and pop that in, and boom. Now again, we got the plastic film on it, but you can see the color pretty good on this. I think this might be my top pick for a little bit, because I definitely want to show off the blue color. If I could, man, if they had a screen protector for the back of the phones, and you vendors out there, I would definitely try, because I really hate putting cases on my phone, but if I had to, it probably more likely be a clear one. Moving on. Next case. Well, before we can move on to that, the buttons do work. They're still clicky, volume rocker, power, still work. You got the cutout for the ports. Everything look like it's lined up well. Let's see if we can, it has a little curve, a little lip for you to put your phone down. You hear that? Because you're not hitting glass first, you're hitting the rubber. That's good, I'm rocking with that. Let's move on to the next case. It's gonna be this black joint here, Wakanda black in the building. Another one of these joints. Put that to the side, let's take this off. Okay, Bixby, you doing the most, B. I need you to shut up during the video. All right, and yo, this black one looking fire though. Woo. All right, so I thought it was gonna be the clear one, with this black one, man, yo, cause it kind of got like a faux metallic like build. You know, you feel what I'm saying? It got the blue joint up here. Yeah, that might be a winner for me. Yeah, this definitely might be a winner. Let's see how the buttons feel. Buttons still nice and clicky. You hear that? Put it next to the mic so I can hear it. How it sound? Are we hitting rubber or glass? Let's hear it. You hitting rubber. You hear that? You hitting rubber. Sounds good. Boom. So shout out to Ringke for sending me these cases, man. You got the clear joint here. And if I'm not mistaken, just like the S9 Plus, I believe this is called like the Fusion X. And then you got this sick looking beast of a case right here, man. I think this is my favorite one right here. I think I'm gonna rock with them for a little bit. And how could I forget? I almost forgot, guys. They actually sent me a car mount as well. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now I had already put my recording setup already down, so now I'm holding the camera with one hand. All right, as you guys can see, here is the car mount. All right, some more pieces. Actually, I'm not gonna install this yet because I don't know which case I want it to go on, but as you guys can see, it's gonna work just fine. So when I figure out which case I'm gonna actually wanna put it on, I install it and I send you guys a picture on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Sean Be Nice, and on Twitter at Sean Be Nice. You can find both my handles down in the description below as well. Yeah, man, just make sure y'all follow me and y'all gonna see how it's gonna look. Nonetheless, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Again, try to keep my video straight, concise, straight to the point. Hopefully we keep this video under 5 minutes. Your boy Sean Be Nice, and I'm out, man. Deuces.